his shop. It's actually in his old nose. It fits perfectly on there. You saw him bringing over weld the front back on there. They're probably about 10-15 minutes back from being done. They got a lot of guys working on the car, but his goal, he'll be taking the green flag.
Well, they're taking the green flag on this one. Kessler maintains the lead. The smoke's still pouring out of the 64. And Kessler, he brings Fritz up through the field with it.
Well, Fritz was on the podium last night, third place finisher. Right now here tonight, currently running second. So far, it's been a very successful weekend for Michael Fritz. Very successful week. He was the winner here just a week ago here at Evergreen Speedway. And so he's looking at the second for podiums, possibly 3 in a row.
Not much movement out of Jason Majors. Way back there. The smoke not from Edwards. This time the smoke's from Bart Hector Jr.
Well, I'll tell you where there has been movement. That's the 265s. It's Lane Sunholm in that green 65 coming off of turn number 4. He's got nothing to fit. And then right behind him Matthew Roberts. Those are the two who got to have a bit of a disagreement last night. Now they're running just one position back at each other.
Josh McMillan also having a nice run up through the field. Josh looking at the 265s as a way to get to the front.
Yeah, Josh missed last night's race. They were not able to get it done in time for him to get out last night, but he is having a strong run here tonight.
Smoke still continues to show out of the 66, Bart Hector Jr. And the barman having a tough night here.
There we go. We see now how much trouble he had getting through 1 and 2. That is not a problem that's going to fix itself, though.
Anyways, starting to make some marks towards the front. There we're so slowly.
Longer than the loss on the back. Michael Fritz is taking over the lead, so Michael Fritz now is out front here in this 50 lap mini stock main event, and Lane Sunholm is applying all kinds of pressure to Devin Kessler.
Well, Fritz doesn't mind seeing the two of them battle it out. Oh, the yellow is